The Caribbean is known for its stunning beaches and vibrant culture, but it's often associated with luxury and high costs. However, there are several affordable cities in the Caribbean where you can enjoy the tropical lifestyle without breaking the bank. In this video, we will explore the 5 best cities to live in the Caribbean. Number 5. Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Puerto Plata, located on the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, offers a diverse range of attractions and amenities that make it an appealing place to live. Puerto Plata is renowned for its stunning beaches, including Playa Dorada, Cabarete, and Sosua. Residents can enjoy pristine sands, crystal-clear waters, and various water sports like swimming, snorkeling, and windsurfing. Puerto Plata is known for its relatively low cost of living compared to other Caribbean destinations. Housing options for renting and buying tend to be more affordable. Groceries, dining out, and transportation are also generally reasonably priced. The city boasts a rich history and offers opportunities to explore its colonial past. The Fortaleza San Felipe, a historic fortress overlooking the ocean, is a popular attraction. The Amber Museum showcases the region's amber mining history, and the Victorian-style buildings in the city center add to its charm. In addition to the beaches, Puerto Plata offers various outdoor activities. You can hike or take a cable car to the top of Mount Isabel de Torres, which provides panoramic views of the city and the coastline. Nearby national parks, such as El Choco National Park and Damajagua Waterfalls, offer opportunities for nature lovers. Puerto Plata is home to several golf courses and resort communities, including the famous Playa Dorada complex. These communities offer amenities like golf courses, swimming pools, spas, and fitness centers, making it an attractive choice for retirees or those seeking a resort-style living experience. Puerto Plata's location provides convenient access to other attractions within the Dominican Republic. The nearby towns of Sosua and Cabarete offer their own unique charm, and the popular vacation destination of Punta Cana is within a few hours' drive. Number 4. Las Terrenas, Dominican Republic. Las Terrenas, located on the northeastern coast of the Dominican Republic, is a charming coastal town known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant international community, and relaxed atmosphere. Las Terrenas boasts breathtaking beaches with pristine white sands and turquoise waters. Playa Las Terrenas, Playa Bonita, and Playa Coson are popular spots for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports like kiteboarding and snorkeling. Lush tropical landscapes and picturesque mountains also surround the town. Las Terrenas has a thriving international community with residents from various countries, including France, Italy, Germany, and the United States. This diverse mix of cultures adds a cosmopolitan flair to the town and contributes to a vibrant social scene. Life in Las Terrenas is laid back and slow-paced. The town maintains a small-town charm, and residents enjoy a tranquil and unhurried lifestyle. The local population is friendly and welcoming, creating a sense of community. Las Terrenas offers a wide array of dining options, ranging from local Dominican eateries serving fresh seafood to international restaurants offering cuisines from around the world. The town also has a lively nightlife scene with beachfront bars, live music venues, and occasional festivals and events. Beyond the beaches, Las Terrenas provides opportunities for outdoor activities. You can explore nearby natural attractions like El Limon Waterfall, ride ATVs through the scenic landscapes, go horseback riding along the shore, or take boat trips to neighboring islands. The town has developed its infrastructure to cater to residents' needs. Supermarkets, shops, banks, medical facilities, and other essential services are easily accessible. The availability of amenities ensures a comfortable living experience. Las Terrenas offers a range of real estate options, including apartments, villas, and beachfront properties. Prices vary depending on location, size, and amenities, but compared to other Caribbean destinations, the cost of living and housing tends to be relatively affordable. Number 3. Negro, Jamaica. Negro, located on the western coast of Jamaica, is a popular tourist destination known for its breathtaking beaches, vibrant reggae culture, and laid-back atmosphere. One of the main attractions in Negro is its iconic 7-mile beach. Stretching along the coast, it offers pristine white sands, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and stunning sunsets. The beach is lined with resorts, restaurants, and beach bars, providing a lively and picturesque setting. Negro is renowned for its relaxed atmosphere and no-problem attitude. The locals are friendly and welcoming, and the overall pace of life is unhurried, allowing residents to embrace a more tranquil lifestyle. Negro offers a wide range of water sports and activities. Snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, and paddleboarding are popular options for exploring vibrant marine life and coral reefs. You can also go on boat tours, fishing excursions, or take a sunset cruise along the coast. Negro is famous for Rick's Cafe, a legendary cliffside bar and restaurant. Besides enjoying delicious food and drinks, visitors can witness thrilling cliff diving performances or take the plunge themselves from the cliffs into the clear blue waters. Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae music, and Negro embraces this musical heritage. You'll find numerous bars and clubs where you can groove to reggae beats, enjoy live music performances, and experience the vibrant local nightlife. Inland from the beach, Negro offers opportunities for eco-adventures. You can explore the Negro Royal Palm Reserve, a protected area with diverse flora and fauna, or take a trip to the nearby Mayfield Falls, a beautiful waterfall surrounded by lush rainforest. Negro offers a wide range of accommodations, from all-inclusive resorts to smaller boutique hotels and guest houses. Whether you prefer luxury beachfront resorts or more budget-friendly options, there are choices to suit various preferences and budgets. Number 2. San Pedro, Belize. San Pedro is a picturesque town located on Ambergris Cay, the largest island off the coast of Belize. Known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant marine life, San Pedro offers a unique blend of natural beauty and Caribbean charm. San Pedro is renowned for its pristine white sand beaches and turquoise waters. The idyllic coastline provides opportunities for swimming, sunbathing, snorkeling, scuba diving, and fishing. The Belize Barrier Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is just a short distance away, offering incredible diving and snorkeling experiences. The town exudes a relaxed and laid-back atmosphere. The locals, known as San Pedranos, are friendly and welcoming, creating a sense of community. Life in San Pedro moves at a slower pace, allowing residents to embrace a tranquil island lifestyle. San Pedro offers a wide array of dining options, from local Belizean cuisine to international flavors. You can savor fresh seafood, sample traditional Belizean dishes like rice and beans or fry jacks, or indulge in international cuisine at beachfront restaurants and local eateries. With its prime coastal location, San Pedro is a paradise for water sports enthusiasts. Apart from snorkeling and diving, you can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing, and sailing. Boat tours to nearby islands such as Cay Caulker and Hol Chan Marine Reserve are popular among visitors and residents alike. San Pedro celebrates its vibrant island culture through various festivals and events. The annual San Pedro Lobster Festival is a highlight, showcasing local seafood and entertainment. Other cultural celebrations like the Costa Maya Festival feature dance, music, and traditional performances. San Pedro has attracted a significant expatriate community, particularly retirees seeking a laid-back tropical lifestyle. This diverse community adds an international flair and creates opportunities for socializing and making new connections. Number 1. Las Galeras, Dominican Republic. Las Galeras is a tranquil coastal village located on the Samana Peninsula in the Dominican Republic. Living in Las Galeras offers a laid-back and close-knit community experience focusing on natural beauty. Las Galeras is known for its picturesque, uncrowded beaches such as Playa Rincon and Playa Fronton. Living here means having easy access to pristine sands, turquoise waters, and a peaceful beach environment. Breathtaking natural landscapes, including lush forests, scenic mountains, and stunning coastal views surround the village. Residents can enjoy activities like hiking, horseback riding, snorkeling, and diving in the diverse marine life of nearby national parks and protected areas. Las Galeras embodies a relaxed and unhurried way of life. The locals are warm and welcoming, creating a strong sense of community. The village retains its authentic charm and is free from excessive commercialization, offering a peaceful and serene environment. Being a coastal town, Las Galeras boasts an abundance of fresh seafood. Local restaurants and eateries serve delicious seafood dishes along with traditional Dominican cuisine. Residents can savor flavorsome meals while enjoying the laid-back ambiance. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.